Now we're gonna move on to the confidence intervals of standard deviation. It's very easy one to understand. So we know we already calculate when we do the process of calculations of descriptive statistics here. This is the variance. Okay, we already calculated the confidence interval of it. The standard deviation here. Sorry, I erased it again. Is 26.6. Okay. So what we're gonna do, it's a very easy one. The only thing is the same thing as we calculate the variance for standard deviation is square root of the variance. We apply only square roots for the extreme inferior value here, the extreme superior value. Now what is it? The extreme inferior is 588.18 and the extreme superior value is 863.06. So we apply square root of it. This is the confidence interval of the standard deviation. So I'm gonna call here last. This is it. This is the extreme inferior value 24.25. So in the extreme superior value is 29.37. I'm gonna explain it also with pens and paper to understand the process and memorize it very well. It's easy to apply, but to understand, I think it's really important to understand the math of it.